I am.
Okay, it goes on the wrist.
Oh, I see.
See, it's what arm would you like it on, Sarah?
I guess this one.
I hope it stays on. We used to have like not Velcro. We used to have more of a.
Yeah, I thought it was like a
Band thing.
bandy type.
This is Velcro. You like fly off.
I got you one. I'll do it.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I got the little video tape.
Here, I'll take that. I'll take it.
Do you want that's in his pocket?
I don't know which side. Honey, where does the blue
Caitlin, doesn't that have a pin on it?
I'm putting it in your seat.
Do you know what side of the ear goes on? I have no idea.
I haven't got
It's in a
a
real
clue.
Wait, don't put your finger. I'm putting the picture.
I'm so glad I'm recording this.
Help?
You're supposed to do it. That's not up to you.
Do you need help? Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure.
Alright, hang
I
on.
don't know how you do it.
Alright, Carol. Will you just hold this? It's recording. You just have to point it over there. Alright.
Okay. Oh, yeah. There's the sister helping to put the boutonniere on. They look like sisters to me.
Okay.
Now, if I poke you, please.
Okay, now we got this thing going now.
Oh, honey, you're like walking right in front of the, I'm
Oh,
videotaping
you're
it.
videotaping too?
Yes.
Okay, well.
The blue shirt.
Do you want me to help you with that? Here, Carol, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Somebody hold this and
Here,
I'll.
I'll hold
Okay.
I'll let you get in
Alright,
there.
let me try. This actually goes up here in the lapel, I think.
Oh,
You
it
see
didn't
where
work.
this is?
I think I
Yeah.
bent the pin
Oh, you
on
got 'em?
accident.
That's okay.
Oh,
There we go. Is that it?
I can't see anything because Russ is
it's
like
kind of
taking.
just so that you know.
There we
Okay,
go.
it's right there on the lapel.
There. Oh, this is better. This is better.
I need to practice
Let's
this.
see.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Sorry if
not a
it's like
real-
wiggly.
That's alright.
It's not a real pocket.
Oh, we're starting again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put it in the wrong spot.
Well, honey, I don't know where to put it.
You know what?
They should have like safety pins on this.
Those things should come with instructions.
I
They
know.
should. They're like a bracelet.
Everybody does it a little bit differently.
Oh, Caitlin and I were trying to put it on the pocket, but that looks like a much better position for
Yeah,
that.
put it on the lapel.
I'm sorry.
Let's see if I can make them believe.
I think they kind of ruined the pin.
Yeah? Well, it's kind of tricky because it doesn't
Go through the flower.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, we're still good.
I need light and I need my glasses. I didn't know. I thought you had better eyesight.
I pinched you.
Okay. Ouch. I just stuck it in my finger.
Caitlin, you're gonna need to practice this
Yeah.
for next year. We want to see you be a pro.
I'll just
A
go
boutonniere pro.
I'll do stuff fast so you don't even notice.
There we go.
Exactly.
Now, the tricky part here is. Ouch. Nope, did it wrong.
We're not
This is
going
great.
to prom. We're just gonna stand here and try to put on.
We have like a 10-minute video of the
Boutonniere
boutonniere
pin.
installation.
There. Oh.
Oh.
I think think we got it.
somebody.
Okay,
let's
all right,
get a
pull your
close-up
jackets
of
on.
that.
Is that the right way?
All right, you two.
That's pretty good.
There, it's on.
We'll leave it.
All right, let's see you with your
Yeah, yours
flowers.
is
There,
much
Wait.
easier.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
no. Back off. All right, you guys go back there one more time because this is being videotaped. And I want you to walk down like you're the king and queen of the prom with a little
Right.
smile. Then you're gonna walk towards us.
Bless. Walk this way. Caitlin, let's see that corsage.
Okay. Oh, we got it. We got it. It looks like it's hanging out of Daniel's
Beautiful.
mouth. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back here.
That pink and purple goes perfectly.
Here you
with
go.
all this.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, step back just a little.
A little. This is gonna be a weird video.
Okay, now
That's
we
alright.
gotta do it sideways so we can get a full length shot there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Everybody's gonna be busy. Okay, there we go. We're good. Now we'll zoom in for close-ups. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, you know, we can get